So guys, this is an Isuzu Dmax, brand new guy, and this year it's 2022. And what we're doing with this is a dual battery system wired in through our primary battery over here. We're going to have wiring done for a light bar. Inside the car, the battery will actually live in the back behind the seat. So we're just actually pulling this apart. Let me get my handy light on. So our battery will sit in behind this panel. We're still waiting for it to arrive, but there'll be a stainless panel that sits in the back here for a Slimline type battery. This one's got a rack that's been fitted. This wasn't fitted by us, but it was just on the car already. This rack has some lights which the customers supplied. So nice basic LED lights, they'll go up to shine down into the tray. We've got a light bar, a larger size light bar that's going to go on the side here. So when he's parked on the side of the road or at his campsite or whatever, got plenty of light coming out. Inside the car we're going to have a UHF that's going to sit up under here. UHF aerial is also going to be up on that same rack. We're just getting into running some cabling from the front into the back, in underneath. We've got a power box, actually I should show you that too. This power box is made by Kick-Ass Products. Voltmeter, 3 power sockets. It has a white light on the top, which you can actually switch on and off with the box. There's an on and off here for the voltmeter. 2 Anderson plugs and built-in USBs. So standard 2.1 amp USBs, a type C, and also a quick charge standard size USB 3.0. So that one there is really, really good. The best part about it is once you've mounted the box on the wall, it's just a simple Anderson connector straight into it. Battery we're using, Baintech technology, lithium. Slimline, ultra small little unit. Power comes in through blue Anderson plug. Power goes out through a grey Anderson plug. Basically that whole system will run that in behind the back seat. Power will come back out of that into the back of the car. And because that's got its own charger built into it to maintain the charge coming in and out, we're actually using a Renogy lithium solar controller, so MPPT solar charge controller, but separate to the BCDC that's already built into that battery. We're going to go do our Bunnings run for our Isuzu project, get a couple of bits and pieces.
Put the light bar across that, and then put the bolts into the upright. We'll paint it all black so it all looks nice. Like I said, aluminium won't rust where steel will, so I think that'll be a win.
Yeah.
It's wide enough to put both bolts in the middle,
yeah,
so it won't move left and right. Mate, under control.
Sorted.
We are sorted.
Sauteed.
Let's go do some
like a
work.
mushroom.
Yep.
Hey dog! We have a couple of things going on with this switch panel here. One of them is this factory Tow Pro switch, which we need to relocate from here over to this area here where the shifter is. Driving lights switch, that'll go in place of that. This is the blank that belongs in that spot there. We're going to move this seat heater switch across from this spot to this spot, so it's going to have the 2 seat heaters like that. That also involves us taking this wiring loom and relocating this wiring over to this side because it's all loomed up. We'll probably end up actually pulling this apart and re-looming it back into this side. This is our finished product here. We had to glue her in underneath, but again, it's not supposed to be in that spot, so just try to make that as neat as possible. Put this back in the car. That's that section complete.